President Emerson Mnangagwa's private jet was forced into an emergency crash landing in Egypt after developing a serious mid-air technical fault during his return flight from Eastern Europe. Sadabeda mashoko obdanyi gwachinzi aiwa ASK for Mnangagwa as jet crash lands in Egypt. Sadabeda mashoko onekwa kunzi aiwa private jet yemutungamiriri wenyika panguva ino yolenda aiwa zvine njodzi muEgypt ava faces some technical challenges in the end of our subscriber like on the bed TSHABANGU and all passengers and the crew members escaped unharmed. ZVAITWA sources confirmed on Friday. The Dubai registered aircraft, reportedly a long-range VIP configured Boeing business jet, began experiencing a rapid cabin pressure drop and a failure in its navigation system shortly after exiting Belarusian airspace. According to sources in Cairo, emergency protocols were swiftly activated and the pilot issued a distress call. Egyptian authorities promptly delayed an emergency landing route at Bok El Arab Airport. Within several minutes of declaring distress, the aircraft began its descent and managed a rough but controlled landing, said an official with Egypt's Civil Aviation Authority. The aircraft sustained moderate damage to its undercarriage and the hydraulic systems, but it remained structurally intact. Technical teams from Dubai and Egypt began immediate diagnostics on the aircraft. Despite the scare, President Mnangagwa later continued his journey and has since returned home safely. He was received at Robert Kabrum Cabinet National by VP Kosano Chwenga, cabinet ministers, senior cabinet officials, and service chiefs. During his Eastern Europe tour, Mnangagwa attended the 80th Victory Day celebrations in Russia and he held bilateral talks with President Putin. The two leaders agreed to deepen cooperation between their nations. Domashwa muda panguva ino zvinokwanisa aiwa panguva ino private jet mutungamiri wenyika aiwa yoputsa yadonha zvayo iri mudenga. Pina comment section yedu mafungiro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.